Hi friends, this is a slightly complex question on functions. Let a1 is p and b1 is q, where p and q are positive quantities. For even n greater than 1, an equal to p bn minus 1 and bn equal to q bn minus 1. And for n greater than 1 and odd, an is p an minus 1 and bn is q an minus 1. So we'll have to come back to this. A1 is P and B1 is Q. A1 is P and B1 is Q. Now A2 will be P B1. So A2 is PQ and B2 will be Q A1. So B2 will be Q B1. So that is Q into Q square. Now A3 will be odd n. So A3 will be P A2. So that is P into PQ, that is P square Q, and B3 will be Q A2. So B3 will be Q into PQ, that is Q square P. Now A4 will again be PB3. So A4 is P into Q square P, that is P square Q square, and B4 will be Q A3, that is P square B4 will be Q A3, that is P square B4 will be Q B3, because n is even, so B4 will be Q B3, that is Q into Q square P, that is Q cube P. Yeah, it's okay. So now A2 plus B2 will be Q common P plus Q, and A4 plus B4 will be PQ square common P plus Q. Now we have to do it by options, and we'll go by second option. So in second option we have Q PQ to the power half n minus 1 into P plus Q n by 2, P plus Q. So this is the option. Now we put n equal to 2. If we put n equal to 2, then this is Q PQ to the power 0 into P plus Q, and we see that A2 plus B2 is Q into P plus Q, so it is satisfying. Similarly, for n equal to 4, the expression becomes Q into PQ to the power 1 as n equal to 4. So 2 minus 1 is 1, and P plus Q, that is PQ square into P plus Q. So that is also satisfying. So the option 2 is the correct option. You can try with the other options and you will find that this will not satisfy. Cheers and all the best.